Introduction. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the KitchenAid fully automatic espresso machine, model KF8, with that sleek stainless steel finish. This beauty is priced at $1,799, and it promises to elevate your coffee game to a whole new level. Product overview. So, what's the deal with this machine? Well, it lets you create personalized drinks with just the touch of a button. You've got over 40 recipe options to choose from, including espresso, americano, latte, and cappuccino. It's like having your own barista right at home. Key features. One standout feature is the removable bean hopper. It's super easy to twist and lift, allowing you to refill or switch out your beans without any hassle. Plus, there's this handy Clean Me indicator that lights up when it's time for a cleaning cycle. You can even program it based on your water hardness, which is pretty cool. And if you enjoy milk drinks, whether it's whole milk or plant-based, you'll love the automatic milk frothing and heating system. Just fill the included milk container and let the machine do its magic. Price value. Now at $1,799, this isn't a small investment. But if you're serious about coffee and want a reliable machine that delivers consistent results, it might be worth it. Customer feedback. It currently holds a solid 4.2-star rating from customers, which is pretty good. It seems folks appreciate the quality and reliability of this machine. Visual elements. I'll be showing you some product images during this review so you can see just how elegant it looks in your kitchen. Honest assessment. Overall, I think the KitchenAid fully automatic espresso machine is a fantastic choice for coffee lovers who want convenience mixed with quality. Sure, it's a bit pricey, but if you're willing to invest in a great cup of coffee every day, it could be worth every penny. Recommendation. So, if you're looking to up your coffee game and don't mind splurging a little, I definitely recommend checking this one out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this. Happy brewing!